Hey, it's me Sam and welcome to Knowledge Mesh. Today I'm here to talk to you about how to make money online on Amazon. Amazon is one of the most popular e-commerce websites in the world in the present day market and makes sales worth millions of dollars each day. In 2017 itself, it made a whopping $178 billion in net sales. So how are you gonna make money on Amazon? All you need to do is become an Amazon associate. Now, what you do exactly as an Amazon associate is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically an arrangement by Amazon where it pays you commission for each sale they make via your referral. We can choose what product we want to promote, and then Amazon provides us with a unique affiliate link to the product. When someone uses our link to purchase the product, Amazon can track the purchase back to our associate account and reward us with a commission. Now the question comes down to how and where exactly are we going to promote the products? Well, there are many ways of doing it. It can be in form of Amazon banner ads on your blog or website, or even reviews about the specific products you want to promote on platforms like YouTube or on social media. It can even be your suggestion to someone during a simple conversation. It doesn't matter. All one needs to do is reach Amazon via your affiliate link and buy the product, and you are then entitled for a commission. To become an Amazon associate, open Amazon on your browser. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Become an Affiliate. You will be directed to Amazon Associates page, and keep in mind this option is exclusively available on the desktop page of Amazon's website. To register, click on Join for free. You will need an Amazon account for registering as an associate. If you already have an account, log in with your account details or simply click on Create your Amazon account. Fill in your personal details and click on Create your Amazon account. After your Amazon account has been created, you will be directed to Amazon Associates account page, where you will need to fill in further personal details and details about how you're gonna promote their products. On the account information page, enter the name exactly as it appears on the bank account you will be linking for your payments. Fill in your detailed current address and mobile number from where Amazon can correspond with you for payment related matters. If the bank account that you'll be linking is in your name, then under the question who is the main contact for this account, choose the payee listed above. And if the bank account belongs to some other person, click on someone else and fill in your name and phone number, where Amazon can contact you in matters of your associate account. After that, if you are from United States, choose yes, and if you are from anywhere else outside United States, choose no and click on next. On this page, you will need to provide details about where you're gonna promote the products. On the left, under Enter your websites, paste all the URLs to your website, blog, YouTube channel or social portals, anywhere you will be promoting the products, and click on Add. And on the right, under Enter your mobile app URL, if you have your own app where you would advertise via Amazon, paste the app URL and click on Add. After adding all your URLs, click on Next. Finally, on this page, you'll be building your profile and filling in details about how you're going to generate traffic on your content. On the top, type in your preferred associate store ID, which basically will be your user ID. Under that, you can find the website and mobile apps you listed on the previous page. If you want to add or edit, simply scroll down and click on Previous and go back to the previous page and edit it. After that, in brief, describe what your content is all about in your own words, and then you can choose from the given topics that best describe your content. You can choose as many topics as you want from the given list by simply clicking on Add another topic. But if nothing describes your content best, choose Other from the list. To give Amazon a better idea about what category of products you plan to promote, take on all the relevant categories. And finally, select the type or types that best describe your content from the given list. Now moving on to traffic and monetization, choose the ways you plan to drive traffic on your content. May it be organic traffic or paid traffic from the given option. Then choose your primary and secondary sources from where you drive income via your content. And for more sources, simply click on Add another. But if you're just starting out, then choose Amazon Affiliate is the only monetization I use in your primary source. And after that, choose the level of web content creation tools you are comfortable with. Put up the number of unique visitors you get on your content every month. your primary reason for joining Amazon Associates, and finally, from where did you hear about Amazon Associate? After filling in all the required fields, type in the CAPTCHA and click on You agree with the terms and conditions, and then click on Finish. And that's it. You have successfully created your own Amazon Associates account. You can either choose to fill in your payment and tax information right now or later while cashing out your earnings. You will be directed to your associate accounts homepage where you can track your earnings, browse products, and generate links for them. I will be showing the in and outs of how to use the associate accounts in a future video. For that, stay tuned to our channel. Now you might ask, how much commission exactly? Well, it depends on the category of product you're trying to promote. It can vary anywhere between 0.3% to as high as 12%, but it's mostly between 8 to 10%. But there are some exceptions, like in case of some Amazon exclusive products and wireless products, where it pays a fixed advertising fees of only 1%. And also there are some products where Amazon doesn't provide any advertisement fees. Now if you want the detailed information about the advertising fees, please click on the link below in the description box. Now let's talk about the conditions under which you qualify for a commission. If a customer buys a product that you are promoting anytime within 89 days of using your affiliate link, you are entitled to a commission. And the awesome thing about Amazon is within 24 hours of using your affiliate link to visit Amazon, you get a commission for anything and everything that the customer buys, even if it's something that you didn't promote. Now let's talk about how you'll be paid. Your earnings in advertisement fees is paid via wire transfer or checks on a monthly basis, 60 days following the end of each calendar month. A minimum withdrawal amount is set depending upon the country, averaging around $15. To sum it up, for every $1,000 of sale Amazon makes via your affiliate links, you make up to $120. It all comes down to how much traffic you're able to generate. And if you can build trust and authority with your audience, you will make sales. Slowly but steadily, it all adds up to a good payday if you are consistent. And the good thing about this method is you can earn big bucks. People have already used this method to earn thousands of dollars and even in some cases millions. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if it was helpful, please don't forget to share, like and comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. For such information regarding earning money and more, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.